Hi guys, if you want to buy this Typhur Sync Oven with smart wireless meat thermometer probe, 12-in-1 countertop air fryer toaster oven combo, then please visit the link provided in the description. Smart kitchen appliances are becoming more advanced every year, and the Typhur Sync Oven is one of those products that promises to replace several appliances with one powerful solution. Instead of using separate machines for baking, air frying, roasting, dehydrating, and toasting, this countertop oven combines all those functions into a single premium package. The goal is simple: save space, reduce cooking time, and make preparing meals easier for everyone. Right away, the modern design gives this oven a premium appearance. It looks clean, well-built, and large enough to handle everyday cooking without taking over your entire countertop. The spacious 27-quart interior is one of its biggest advantages because it allows you to prepare family-sized meals or cook multiple dishes simultaneously using the included extra wire rack. One feature that immediately separates this oven from traditional countertop models is the smart wireless meat thermometer probe. Instead of opening the door repeatedly to check whether your food is finished, the probe continuously monitors the internal temperature and helps you cook with greater precision. Whether you're making steak, chicken, turkey, salmon, or pork, you can enjoy more confidence knowing your meal is cooking exactly as intended. Performance is equally impressive thanks to the 360-degree Turbo Convection system. Hot air circulates evenly throughout the cooking chamber, producing crispy textures and even browning with very little oil. French fries become golden and crunchy. Chicken wings develop a satisfying crisp exterior. Vegetables roast evenly, and baked foods cook with excellent consistency. The powerful airflow also helps shorten cooking times, making weeknight dinners much more convenient. The 12 cooking functions give this appliance incredible flexibility. You can air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, dehydrate, reheat, and perform several other cooking tasks without switching appliances. That versatility makes it an excellent option for apartments, smaller kitchens, or anyone who prefers a cleaner, less cluttered cooking space. The dehydrator mode deserves special attention because it expands what this appliance can do. Homemade fruit chips, dried herbs, vegetable snacks, and beef jerky become surprisingly easy to prepare. Combined with the included accessories and recipe inspiration, the oven encourages you to experiment with recipes that might normally require specialized equipment. Daily operation is refreshingly simple. The digital controls are easy to understand, preset cooking programs eliminate much of the guesswork, and the smart temperature monitoring helps deliver reliable results even if you're not an experienced cook. Beginners can start cooking with confidence, while experienced home chefs will appreciate the additional precision and flexibility. Another major advantage is efficiency. Since one appliance performs the work of several kitchen devices, you spend less time moving food between machines and less time cleaning afterward. The spacious cooking chamber also reduces the need to prepare meals in multiple batches, saving both time and energy. Overall, the Typhur Sync Oven combines smart technology with practical everyday performance. Its wireless thermometer, large cooking capacity, powerful convection system, and 12 versatile cooking modes create an appliance that fits a wide variety of cooking styles. If you're looking for a premium countertop oven capable of replacing several kitchen appliances while delivering consistently delicious meals, this model deserves serious consideration. If you'd like to learn more or check today's latest price and available discounts, be sure to visit the purchase link provided in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.